Yes, good afternoon all. Yes, Asis.
Lord of all power and might, give me wisdom and understanding today. Let me grow in knowledge and bear fruit in active goodness. Strengthen me with ample power to meet whatever comes with fortitude, patience, and joy, and to give thanks to you in all the things. Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Asis. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So as the students are joining, if you remember whatever we have done, have you revised all whatever we have done in the Vedics?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, bacha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm sharing my screen. Take out your notebooks and your pens with you. So today we will do more interesting part. Okay, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No doing this. Okay, see, waiting group. Some students are still joining. Sundin, Manatangra. So always be on time. When it is 12:30, that means 12:30. Before 5 minutes, you have to join. That means at 12:30, I will start my lesson. So please join before 5 minutes. Okay, now today's topic is, please write down in your notebook. Today's topic is multiplication of multiple of 7 with special number. Please write down multiplication of multiple of 7 with special number, that is 429. What it means? That means I have to multiply that number which is a multiple of 7. That means वो number जो 7 के टेबल में आ रहा हो, like 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, which comes in the table of 7, that means which is a multiple of 7, and we have to multiply that number with 429. So the following steps are: step number 1. Step number 1 is multiply the number by 3 by 7. That means whenever you have the multiplication of any number, जैसे 7 से जो multiply हो, like 14, 21, and that number is multiplied with 429. That means this is a special number. That is the reason I have written here special number. So if the number is multiplied with 429, the first step is, please write, multiply the number by 3 by 7. That means जहां पे भी आपको 429 नजर आता है, immediately you have to multiply the number with 3 upon 7. That means 3 upon 7 is a fixed number. और जब भी आपको 429 नजर आया, तो आपने इस 429 के बदले 3 upon 7 लिखना है. The next step is express the number obtained in 3 digits. That means अगर आपका आंसर 12 आता है, तो आपको इसको प्रीफिक्स लगाना है 0. It will come 0, 1, 2. That means it is important कि आपको उसको 3 digit number बनाना है. क्लियर? अगर सपोज 7 है, तो 7 के लिए मुझे 2 प्रीफिक्स लगाने पड़ेंगे 007. That means express the number obtained in 3 digits. Clear? And the next step is place the answers obtained in step number 1 and step number 2. That means जो भी आंसर आपको नंबर स्टेप 1 में मिला और जो भी आंसर आपको स्टेप 2 में मिला उसको हम लोग कंबाइन करके लिखेंगे. Clear? Hope all you have written these 3 points. Please write down. I am giving you 1 minute. Please write down as you don't have the books with you. So please write down multiplication of multiple of 7 with special number 429. And there are 3 steps to proceed. I will again repeat. The step number 1 is multiply the number by 3 by 7. Express the number obtained in 3 digits. Place the answers obtained in step number 1 and step number 2.
I'm done.
Very good. Now we will do some examples. Now, so this is the first example I have given. 14 multiplied by 429. First of all, I have to see the number 14. Now this comes in the table of 7 as 7 to the 14. So 14 is a multiple of 7 and then it is multiplied by the number 429. That means this is important. आपको ये देखना है जो नंबर मल्टीप्लाई हम 429 से कर रहे हैं क्या ये नंबर 7 का मल्टीपल है या नहीं. So it is easy. We are able to see 14. So 14 comes in the table. So what we will do here, we will simply multiply 14 with 3 upon 7. That means instead of 429, I can easily write 3 upon 7. So this is a fixed fraction. ये fixed fraction है 3 by 7 जो कि आपको 429 के बदले लिखना है. So whenever you will see 429 anywhere, you simply multiply that number with 3 upon 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, and 2 threes are 6. So we got the answer as 6. So next step हमारा क्या था? हमने इसको 3 digits बनाना है. That means I have to change into 3 digits. And how it will come 3 digits? By prefixing 2 zeros. So 0, 0, 6. हमारा second step भी हो गया. अब हमारा third step था, हमने इसको combine करना है. अब हमने जब इसको combine कर दिया, first step को, this was my first step, ये था मेरा second step. इन दोनों को combine करने के बाद, the answer will come 6, 0, 0, 6. Is it interesting?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is
Yes,
very
ma'am.
easy
Yes,
and very
ma'am.
simple. I will give you one more example. Please take out your notebooks. Then and then you are able to understand. Please. The next part I have given 35 multiplied by 429. Again, 35 is the multiple of 7. And here we have the number 429. So what I will write here? I will simply write here 35 multiplied by 3 upon 7. So
Ma'am,
when I
answer
will-
is 15015.
Very good. Correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
So 35 को जब हम 3 upon 7 से multiply करेंगे, 7 5s are 35, 5 3s are 15. And it will come, I have written directly here, 0, 1, 5. And if I will combine 2 steps, it will come
15015.
exactly. The answer will come 15015. Any girl who is not able to understand it, please speak. That is the reason I
No,
am
ma'am.
allowing you to unmute yourself. आप कभी भी बीच में बोल सकते हो मैम I am not able to understand. Please आप हमें understand करवाइए. So please, this is the practice sums. Please write and find the answers quickly.
Ma'am, first one.
Hurry
First
up,
is
first of all.
33033.
Exactly. First of all, you please write down Write down all the questions and one by one I will discuss.
Ma'am, the second is 36036.
No, first of all you write all, then I will call one by one your names and you will answer. First of all you will write. Yes, Prachi. Give me the answer of first part. Prachi.
Ma'am, 33033.
Very good. Correct answer, bacha. Good. Garima Bedi. Garima Bedi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Garima beta. Give me the answer of second part.
Ma'am, 36,036.
Correct. Very good. That means you are able to understand. Very good. Just Kiran, give me the answer of third part. Quickly. Just Kiran,
Yes, ma'am.
please answer the third part.
Ma'am, I am answering.
Yes. Ekamdeep. Ekamdeep.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer please. Third part, 91 multiplied by 429.
Ma'am, 39,039.
Correct answer. Very good. Next, Aisha Iqbal. Aisha Iqbal. I'm waiting, Aisha. Hurry up. You have to do it quickly, bacha. Upasna.
Yes, ma'am.
28 multiplied by 429, bacha.
12012.
Correct answer. Vatika. 56 multiplied by 429.
Ma'am, 24,024.
Which you are doing? 56.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Correct. Next. Okay, so please complete this. Now we will move to the next. Okay. The next is multiplication of multiple of 7 with special number 572. Now we have the number. First it was 429. Now we have the number 572. That means अब हम वो step करेंगे, वो multiplication करेंगे जो 7 से multiply हो plus उसका जो multiplication हो वो 572 के साथ हो. Again the 3 steps are there. The 3 steps are, first step, multiply the number with 4/7. Simply आपने जहां 572 नजर आया आपने उसको multiply करना है 4/7 के साथ. The second step is express the number obtained in 3 digits. Same जो आपने first वाले में किया, same ऐसे ही आप इसको express करोगे 3 digits में. And the third step is place the answers obtained in step number 1 and step number 2. That means the whole procedure is same as we have done only for 429. Only here the difference is we have to multiply the number with 4/7. वहां पे हमने किया था 3/7. यहाँ हम करेंगे 4/7. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
give you one example.
Yes, ma'am.
So easy. It's very interesting also. Now here I'm showing you one example. 70 multiplied by 572. So simple, what you have to do, you have to multiply 70 as 70 is the multiple of 7. So 70 को हम multiply करेंगे 4 upon 7 के साथ. 7 10 to 70, it will come 40. The next step was you have to make it 3 digits. So it may be
Ma'am, 40,040.
40. Very good. And the answer is 404040. That means I am placing first step and second step together. I will do one more part. 728 multiplied by 572. As 728 is a multiple of 7. So it will come 728 multiplied by 4 upon 7. So the answer will come
Ma'am, 416,
416,
416,
416.
416.
Very good. That means you are able to understand. I am so happy. So the answer will come 416, 416. Very good. So I will give you some practice sums. Please do it. I am giving you 1 minute and do it quickly. Then I will let you know. I will call one by one and you will answer it. Yes, Suhani, what is the answer of first part? Suhani?
Ma'am, 28028.
49 multiplied by 572. Yes, 28028. Correct answer. Very good. Manreen? Manreen Kaur? Please.
Yes, ma'am.
3357 multiplied by 572. Yes, Bacha, quickly, quickly.
Ma'am, 204204.
Correct. Very good. Nupur, can you answer third part? 630 multiplied by 572. Nupur. Nupur. Tejaswi. Tejaswi, please answer.
Yes.
630 multiplied by 5.
Ma'am, the answer is 360, 360.
Correct. Very good. Drishti. Drishti, can you answer the next part? 42 multiplied by 572. Yes, Drishti. Yes, Bhumika, you answer. Bhumika Manas, please answer. 42 multiplied by 572.
24024.
Correct answer. So very good. In this way, you will practice all the sums here. Okay, may I proceed? Next. Rimjim, you can answer one. 826 into 572. Rimjim.
Yes, ma'am.
826 multiplied by 572. Please answer.
472472.
Correct. Lavanya. 581 into 572. Lavanya.
Yes, ma'am.
581 multiplied by 572.
332. 332.
Correct. So very good. You are able to answer. Now I will move to the next.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Bacha.
first and ninth one are the same.
It's okay. Maybe repeated. Yes, it's okay. The next is multiplication of multiple of 7 with a special number 715. So when we have the number 715 multiplication and the first number is the multiple of 7, again there are 3 steps to proceed. The first step is multiply the number by 5 upon 7. So this is a fixed term. 5 upon 7 से हमें इनको multiply करना है. The next step is express the number obtained in 3 digits, same as we have done for 2 cases before. And the third step is place the numbers, answers obtained in step number 1 and step number 2 together. Same procedure, only there is one change. That is the change of a number, of a fixed number, that is 5 upon 7. Now you have to multiply the number with 5 upon 7, then express the numbers in 3 digits and then placing together. So I will give you one example. So it is 28 multiplied by 715. So 28 multiplied by 5 upon 7.
2002.
Yes, the answer will come 20 and I have to place in 3 digits. When I place into 3 digits, it will come 0, 2, 0. Now I am writing them together. 20, 0, 20 is the answer. In the same way, the next part I have written here. 42 multiplied by 715. 42 multiplied by 5 upon 7. So 7 6 are 42 and 6 5s are 30. And when I will place into 3 digits, it will come 0, 3, 0. And the answer is 30030. Clear, bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to all? Is there any clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now these are the practice sums which I have given you. Please write. Baljit, call Baljit.
I'm doing.
Baljit, please give me the answer.
I'm doing.
Okay. Please do the first part and let me know. Palmachnanda, Panchanda, please answer the first part.
Ma'am, 55055.
55055. Correct answer. Now, who are there now? Mannat, can you answer the second part? Mannat. Mannat, are you able to hear? Mannat? Janveen? Please answer, bacha. 84
Yes,
multiplied by 715.
Yes, ma'am.
Please answer.
Ma'am, 60060.
Correct. Very good. Harika, please answer the next part. 98 multiplied by 715.
Ma'am, 70070.
Very good. Correct answer. Devjit. 357 multiplied by 715. Devjit, are you able to hear? Devjit Kaur. Please unmute yourself, Devjit. Okay, Devjit is not able to answer. I don't know she's able to hear.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the 9th part, instead of 92, it should be 91. 92 is not a multiple of 7.
Okay, good. By mistake, maybe by typing mistake, it's a typing mistake. You can please change.
Yes, ma'am.
It is 91. Okay. 91 multiplied by 715. Bhumika, please answer. Bhumika. 357 multiplied by 715.
I'm 255255.
Very good. Very good. Tejaswi, please answer the next.
Yes, ma'am.
273 multiplied by 715.
Ma'am, 195 and 195.
Correct answer. Very good. Ipshita, please. Next. 189 multiplied by 715. Ipshita. Tanisha.
135.
Very good. Tanisha, the next one, 595 multiplied by 715. Tanisha Jamwal, I'm waiting. Kavita, you can answer. 595 multiplied by 715. Kavita.
Ma'am, 425.
Correct. Correct answer. Priya. Next one. 700 multiplied by 715.
500.
Correct answer. Very good. Sneha Chaudhary. 91 into 715. Sneha. Harjot, you can answer. Harjot. 91 multiplied by 715. Harjot. Firdos, you can answer. 91 into 715. Firdos, I'm waiting. Kavita.
Ma'am, 65065.
Very good. Let me, some girls are not able to do. Please let me know wherever you are finding the difficulty, bacha. Here, the three, I have given the three special numbers today. The first number I have given you, 429. The second number was 572. And the third number was 715. So these are the special numbers. And they are the, when we have to multiply these numbers with a multiple of 7. So different methods I have shown you. The first was we have simply multiplied the number with 3 upon 7. The next one, we are able only have to multiply the number with 4 upon 7. And the third one was we have to multiply that number with 5 upon 7. Procedure is same, only the fixed fraction is different. So is there any girl who are finding any difficulty in these three special numbers? Please let me know. I will make you understand one more time. Please, any girl, unmute yourself and speak, ma'am. I'm not able to understand this. Yes, I'm waiting. Yes, bacha. Clear to all? That means it is clear to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to all? किसी को भी ये कोई problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So I have given you the practice sums for each. Please do practice. If you want more, I will give you more. And please complete all these practice sums which I have given to you. Okay, bacha? Clear to all? Any query to anyone?
No, ma'am.
No queries? Okay, beta. So I will wind it up. Stay safe. Goodbye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Okay, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
जवाब